Amid attempts to restore road connectivity on a war footing and with improvement in weather conditions, tourist evacuation from Chungthang continued on Monday.
Beautiful shot.
As per ground reports, 120 civilians were airlifted from Lachung. Meanwhile, 29 people were airlifted from Chatin village in Lachen. The inflow of tourists travelling on foot from Chungthang, Lachung and Lachen continued on Monday. Those stranded in Lachung made their journey to Chungthang in a vehicle. They will now be taken to Gyathang in Zonggu, following which they will have to hike downhill for about 45 minutes to reach Rangrang village, which remains accessible to the rest of Sikkim.
Firstly, we are very grateful that the weather is back to normal. It's a bright sunny day, and the choppers have landed in Lachen, which was totally cut off from all areas. So as of now, one chopper has already taken off with standard tourists from Lachen, and from Lachung, two choppers have taken off, and the rest of the people, the younger lots, who can walk, who can trek, we dropped them from Lachung to Chungthang this morning, and through this makeshift bridge that you will see, we have made arrangements for them to travel across to Jonggu, to Mangan, and then to Gangtok.
Sir, is there a number on how many tourists might have been brought down?
From Lachung by road, about 430 people came down, and the elderly people, there's about like another 200 is up there. They are being airlifted.
Sir, how many rounds is the choppers likely to make to this?
It depends on whether the weather will hold. We are very hopeful. It's still very sunny. The weather will hold. We are hopeful about that. As long as the weather holds, I am told that there will be more sorties.
And they'll be taken to Mangan helipad, sir?
Yes, and from there they'll be taken by vehicle to Gangtok.
Is there a number on how many tourists have been rescued so far here?
Since yesterday we have started. Yesterday we have sent one Thai group and one Haryana group. We have sent yesterday. We have started, and today, as of now, we have sent almost 30 to 40 people. We have already sent. Now you can see we are waiting for the vehicle. So slowly we are doing it.
What kind of vehicles will they be ferried to and till where?
From here to Lower Janggu. So from there to Lower Janggu. From Lower Janggu there is a bridge which connects to Rangrang. From there is a little bit of walk is there. Downwards we have to trek almost 30 minutes. From there is a bridge.
From Gyathang to Rangrang?
Yes.
Okay. And what about the airlift? Is there a number on how many airlifts will happen today, sir?
That depends on weather only. If weather clears, they will take place 3, 4, 5 sorties. It depends completely depends on the weather.
What's the update from Mangan? How many choppers have actually come, sir? Is there any information?
As you can see, there are already one big chopper and one small chopper.
So those are the one flying the tourists?
Yes.
However, Lachen in North Sikkim still remains completely cut off. Speaking to East Mojo, Diki Lepcha, the Panchayat President of Chungthang, said there are many in Munshithang village where several people are still missing. However, the number of missing people could not be ascertained since communication remained cut off. Lachen is the base for tourists going to Gurudongmar Lake, a high-altitude lake situated at an altitude of 17,000 feet close to the Indo-China border, while Lachung is the stopover for tourists heading to Yumthang Valley.
यहाँ से आगे मेरा चुंगथांग वार्ड में पड़ता है। इस जगह का नाम है रंगमा रेंज। तो रंगमा रेंज के इस तरफ मेरा तुमलोंग बोल के एक गाँव में, वहाँ भी एक परिवार है। उसका परिवार नहीं पता है, वो लोग तो ठीक है, लेकिन उससे आगे एक बहरे दाजू बोल के है, उसका परिवार जो अभी हम लोग से संपर्क नहीं है। अभी यहाँ लोकल के माध्यम से पता चला कि वो लोग भी अभी गुम है, ढूंढने के लिए तरफ। तो आप जहाँ यहाँ पहाड़ देख रहे हैं, यहाँ से जाके मुंशीथांग तक कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करें, जहाँ अंगोरा फार्म है, आर्मी का कैंप है, लेकिन आर्मी कैंप जो है पहाड़ की उधर उस तरफ रह गया। वहाँ भी रेस्क्यू करने के लिए आर्मी लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं। उसके साथ ही साथ हमारा भी छोटा गांव सब रह गया और मिसिंग का नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है।
मैम, कितनी आबादी है वहाँ पे लोगों का?
आबादी तो बहुत है, लेकिन अभी कितना गुम हो वो हम पता नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि कनेक्शन नहीं हो पा रहा है। तो आज थोड़ा धूप गिरने की वजह से हम चुंगथांग में हेलीकॉप्टर के द्वारा हमें रेस्क्यू करके और रिलीफ के सामान लोग बहुत आ रहे हैं। अभी भी पहाड़ से देखिए आप चट्टान गिर रहा है, मलबा, तो बहुत खतरा है यहाँ पे।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.